Image Paodam Yangrib Simhan Buddha, Tramnok Solo Kurumjari. Nasi Maru Pauda, Numitini Kungsata, Congress President Rahul Gandhi in Palatun. Scientific cultivation and importance of tube crops Hiramda, no Mugava training program, Anto Craig. No, no Mugava Mahirishingi motivation program, Amasu Anto Craig. Howsy Mapunga Pau, no be the sea. Numitini Kungsata, Congress President Rahul Gandhi in Sinutil in Palatun Craig. Mang in Palatun Romatung, BT Park Latuna. Site Minor the Hiker like a Tamki, Tung the BT Rota Leba, Congress Bahun the Pato Committee of the Sarukian Sanke. Congress President Gasi, Impala, Laidaga, Hayeng Hata Kanjibunda, Atopa, public meeting the Sarukiaduna, Miam that Makiwaro Tangani, Mang Maniputa Lakimasi, Lakadru Mikalga, Marilinani. Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP Kamu Nadal Sinduna, Lakadriba April Drama Toy Amadi, Tara Nipan the Pato Kadariba, outer Amasung inner MP election Gamari Lenana. Normally, over political conference among us, Kabo Basu Grounda, Manipuri Chief Minister and Birena after the meeting and Oi, the Sorgiadna Patokre. Thoromatuda after the meeting and Ural Perioduna, Chief Minister and Birena High. Mamang the Palamba, Lengagna, who Pambi, Tarambanangasi, Equi, Labak, Equi, Labak, Nang Libani, Maramaduna, Adu Umba, who Pambi, Taram Liba, Kampu Adu, Labak, Sideki Marupu. Maru Pangna Mutat Pahivasi, Nasi, Bazai Kogi Tony, BJP Company Royal Party, Haina, Lan Sandokiva say, Nasi Manipura Paliva Sahi, Ani Kapta Naiba, Lenga, Asida Kudam, Piduna, Yingbu, Manipura Paliva BJP Lengana, Kanu Jad Bizat, Kaidana, Zap Manava, Satung, Miam the Pamali, BJP Bu, Miam the Lana, Wanganu, Dharmagi, Mingda Kanu, Kimingda. Rajitono Haiba Loinana, Lakadaba outer Amadi inner election da BJP the Mai Pakanduna, Nanda Modibu Amukana, Indian Prime Minister, Ohinbada, Equating Puna, Honorary High K. BJP Kamu Mandali President L. Tomakuman Thormapu and Sarugiana Pakto Kivangasi from Aduda, Manipulengaki Education Minister T.H. Radesham, Tourism Department Chairman Wediba, MLA S. Rajin. Wajin Tetha SC MLA P. Brazen, BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary N. Nimbus, General Secretary Organization P. Premananda, BJP State Mahila Morsa President K. Inausa Devi, former State Vice President T. H. Jadumani, Secretary L. Des Kumar Amadi, BJP Tawal District President L. Devena Akanaba, Mitungan Singwaina Sarugyaki.
Nasi Paliba, Nasi Equina Sariba, Hinose. Nasi Harga Sabanate Mamang to the Moina Hino Tarmade, Hino Zaram with the Mamang to the Who Bambi Taramaking a sequoia, who Saba the Gileva Clang even in it. I don't know who Bambi Taramibakangudo, Maru Pangna, a quick state sitting motor keeper, I said, a quick Brazari told me. Kanguki Ram Sikrai, the talking a BJP labor, Madame Manipur, Kanguki Ram Fokrabo. Kana Gumba Mata Hindu or on a BJP High give a Tanabro. Kana Gumba Mata Chinsaga do Saba Yani Aro Kari Lake Manipura. Sandokano, Dharma Giminga, Rajati Toguno, Jati Giminga Rajati Toguno. BJP na sahi ani Palakois the Nasi Kana Gumba community, Emaki, Kana Gumba Jati, Emaki, Kana Gumba Dharma, Maki, Kari Tamoi Sopo Yari Yadi, Kari Lake, Machine Kudamoy, BJP is secular, more secular.
Scientific cultivation and importance of table crops, Highway Hiramda, Lomi Shinda, no training program among us. Tenopal District Ki, Kukertil Village, the Pantokre, All India Coordinated Research Project on Table Crops, Central Agriculture University Cow, Impala, Sindhu Pantokiva Thromatuda, T.S. Meda Chairman, Kukertil Village Authority Amasung, Momo Tantanga, Social Worker Anina, Akanaba, Mitung Singh Waina Sargyati. Nasi training program adugi technical session da Dr. A.K. Vijaya, Professor Department of Horticulture, Koa Cow Impala Scientific Cultivation of Tuber Crops Highway Hiramda Dr. L. Nongren Khomba Associate Professor Department of Plant Pathology COA Cow Impala Plant Protection Measures on Tuber Crops Highway Hiramda Aduga Dr. T.H. Sushil Program Assistant Veterinary and Animal Science KVK Impal Isna Role of Tuber Crops in Successful Management of Piggery Highway Hiramda Wangaki Yamna Manipuri Amadi Nan Manipuri Nahasing Ngarang Delhi Mukherjee Nagar Leba Dussehra ground of Pangthokiba Tawal Songli from the Harau Tam Serbia Kri Tharomadu United Cuxing Association Unicas Na Sinmani Tawal Songba to the Nahasing Naki over Fidget Setuna Serbia Bagaluna Thorom Matanga Waham Kia Fondorkli
Unicas United Cuxing Students Delhi na Howzik Delhi Sida Akoigi Cultural Promotion Arts and Culture se promote to na akoi ngasi si lamtagi tarik taraga nipani suwasi numit sida akoi sinjabani
Sara ground da thabal jong malak jabane ado akoi haidi mi khara di dum se traditional dress se ado mi khara amadi se tabida la e ado ai gi mota phongdok jabani ko haidi tradition akoi gi maitai gi oina maitai gi nate haidi akoi gi manipur lai ba culture me am se pula punchal laga se pula ga lak bane ado haidi akoi gi traditional dress se laga di hena phajaga dra hena khansin ra lak se yam nungai re isli am se
Sahi Kuding Pangtok All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amzuna Sinduna Mapalak Suba Annual Sports Meet 2019 Hayang Marski Chechat Kungi Ayupung Tere Tawal Matam Dagi Pangtok Nagani Haina Amzugi Secretary General S. Nandan Thadro Pasiralaman Haini Manipur E. Pawilam the Tabuk Told Mushina Hayang Ayupung Tere Makai Tawal Matamda Manipur Press Club Impala Lakun Sengla Kangla Life from Dagi Mai Lorga Press Club Power Toss Senba Asi Yogu Haili Tawal District Kawok the Labor Wisdom Foundation School of Senduna, Angang Singi, Empathy, Curiosity, Creativity, Sociability, Self-Awareness, Resourcefulness, Resilience, Amsung, Integrity High Sida, Nomagoiba, Meru Shingi Motivation Program among us, School of Sigi Campus Pantokre. Tramadu the Social Scientist Danby Lashamna, Atu Mitung Aduga, Wisdom Foundation Gi, Principal L. Sohana Tromapu and Sarugyaki. Waza Kayamadi Mahiru Kiana Saru Yakiba Trom Aduda Atu Mitung and Boykiba Danby Lashamna, Mahiru Singda, Tawudaba, Tawudaba Sing, Mapa Mama Amadi, Waza Singi, Todang Sing, Amadi, Hosiki Kunaida, Waiba, Pum Sida, Mahiru Sing Yauna, Tung the Horkliba, Nahasing, a low the Todang Singi Matanga, Sugai Wapam Gatan K.
Me Gooding Masada, in each individual person in the world, they have potentiality to be the competency. Me Gooding say, Sidane, Matik Sabagi Magun, Lloyd Yawever, Matik Sabagi Magun Jog the me pitch with the late. Yarka Adubunga Sagi, Kupsali, Pata, the unwanted dust store. Serni Paragas Kapsaduna, Yalaga, Loktorpa the Minane, Nuidane, Wazana, Imaipana Serni Pari Yaline.
Crime against women and children from gender perspective best reporting award Fanglava Labdamasi Pawimanga the Women Action for Development Award and Tokre. Singmiro the Labor Classic Grade Dynastic Conference on a Pangtokiva Samatrum Amada Award say what ki President of Pawimanga Latokivani Award Panglo Pawising at the Best Reporting Award ISTV Staff Reporter Oriba Kaksing Bazileka Dr. Noaitem Rina Apopa Noaitem in Germany Amadi Promising Reporters Award Ifal Pre-Press Staff Reporter Oriba Katrigaudagi Baby Shirin Apopa Ramat Sanga Express ki Staff Reporter Sapam Aruna Huela Pawi Staff Reporter Assem Babisha Amadi Sanga Express ki Staff Reporter Nashepam Liklai Lemani Uripok Asom Lekai Dagi Mahiroi Pravish Chanambu UP gi Noida Masak Khang the Sing Hat Matung Poloi Toklam Kiba Adugi Matanga Manipur Chief Minister na Assembly Pongdo Ki Wapam Singado Nasi Paw Autos in Tawuna Minamdro Tambire Haina People's Action Committee PSC gi convener Limin Pisu Salmana Pongdo Kre Like Kiba Pravish Chanamgi Yumda Pawmisinga Unava Amada Mahano Makata and Ponokibda, Missi Sigi inquiry report on UP ADCP promote Ansana Manipur CM da submit tawkrabsu ngasi phawba investigation tawdaba asida promote ansana da angakpa phawre habsi PAC na uba phangle inquiry for namsilaga on towns in tawdu leiba sina misi asida high profile senabra high singnaba leire misi asi matang lofadiba FIR dissolve tokiba adu leiba tibni haiki misi asi sabsaba khangnaba general strike protest singba tarokiba adu yekhoktuna lakibani hojik di khang ngamagi pankede leire state government na UP government ta ticket hanba ngamda haibasi state government asi UP government ki makhad leire haidaba ngamloi atuba matamda mihat asi matangda asumaran amadi senabasing puthokpa ngamdrabadi masida tholakpa afafatagi thawang manipur sarkar logdabadi haike minister amadi mari leinaba singna more hospital da yamna toin inspection tawrbasu ngasi phawdi hospital si awat pa adumak leidi ngasi ekoi paumina indo meman border town more da leiba sub district hospital more da sangnubada 2006 dagi leiba phamung yankhai leiba more hospital ngasi phawba awat na yom duna adumak leirakni manipur gi matam gi health minister amadi mari leinaba department singna makhoi gi matamda yamna toin inspection lakpa more hospital asisu amo oiri inspection lakpa matamda minister ML singna more hospital da thainarakhiba awat pusing adu athubada matiksana thamduna yum thanaba leibak Myanmar gi mamangda mai choptanaba semgani haibu wafam sing phonok lomlaga hankiba ngaktani ngasi phawda praja singna singthaningai oiba amata sarkarna tarokri haiba yai hospital asida moregi miyamna yamna maru oina thengnariba ase nupi singi oiba gaini gi khudong sadaba asini hospital asida sarkarna gynecologist ama thamlamba adusu sahi asigi January thara transfer tawkhibadagi ngasi phawba mahut thartana leiri more hospital asida operation theater leiribasu ngasi phawba operation manga phana tawdri operation theater leiribasu operation tawdribagi maram sing yenglubada equipment sing matik sana leitaba amadi specialist doctor leitaba asina marum organ operation tawdabani hairi panbe abadi english singani sunu tripan gi December thada health minister LZ Kumarna more hospital da ultrasound machine x-ray machine PPP model in laboratory amadi atopa equipment kaya ama sangaram labani hairiba anoba equipment sing asi thablakpada more prajana harau tayamna lainingeda sarkarna more da leramba specialist doctor sing amuk transfer tawkhibana equipment sing matik san lerbasu sindanaba amadi lainginaba specialist doctor sing laiterbadi equipment leibagi kari kanabaro haina moregi praja kya gi wahang ama oiri Catholic school mari da thokdi wathok asi angang mingsan bagi wathok nate yawi hobu mingsa thiana ba honaba sing ya chaw khojal tharangni asum basi khaminanaba miyam da wahum khar tamjari haina aina tingkraba Maoist Communist Party gi coordinating committee gi kayong han mangang thadrokpa serol hairle serol sina makhata na hairle bana Catholic school gi authority singna sahi khudingi yanaba agreement in tugaidun sahi amada kanun ama aduga topa sahi amada topa kanun ama sebi mayam singa sigi matakta handak thokriba wathok kangliba Communist Party People's War Group KCP PWG Kauba Group amaga Catholic School gi authority kam waniga marakta lakpa mungnama sida People's War Group na aran wafam amata haiba leite haida khangbang ngamle hairikli victim gi imung manungi angang mairoi tara school amomda class 2 dagi hawga 6 fawba bingsa ngani haina lauthoki People's War Group na hojik takshili bade Catholic School gi authority na lisingani suna try panda lauthoki wafam madu sano armed conflict victim gi angang tara mahi masing tamhalu haibasini masida People's War Group ki angang mingsan bagi wafam yaude hairikli asingba Catholic School gi ma kanba thong ase hena khoisau nahnaba masak hairikli matung tarakpada Catholic School da sabsawa para tambiba oina IED bomb ama thamnamai wathok miyam hena khangna wafam ni mungnawa asina mairoi khunai badi mama mapa oiba mayam sida so se theng namu pirakle haiba wafam lakpadagi Maoist Communist Party Manipur na make animak yasnar bhonro lakhe adubu Catholic School na makhoi misengna minister MLA mayam amalai haibi matagum yaw lalhu masak thiana tongan ba aram thong chatraki haiklei Catholic School Authority kambuna lalhu masik thiana bhonaba thong asigi sabsau pahum pi na sem saban loina thingba thamle athing basidi mahairu sing amadi mama mapa singda athing basi yawroi Seo lama gimanung da Catholic school na mayam da lale haja gada bani athing basi da school staff puna mak jessing amadi nan staff non teaching staff amadi school asigi van service tor khudi mak yawgani haina server sina makhatan hairak lei corridor sandok luk mangjing na saliba sahi lisingani suna taramapan gi oina pigedaba corridor gi manasing la thok na bagi damak aiba aibi amadi corridor gi lup singdagi nomination kori haina corridor sandok luk ki secretary gi serolom na khangal laklei serol sina makha taribadi ahan bada masagi sahi humpu helaba corridor gi lamda masak naiba naina thabuk tawlaba aiba aibi da pijagadaba Subkumar Lifetime Literary Award ki damak biodata amsung mari leinaba document singaroina na thajilakpa yagani ani suba priyo shakhi ningsing saita mana asigi damak nupi aibi sahi kuthanga lan dibsingna iba ing singani suno tra tuktagi singani suno tripan phawda phongkiba lariki copy ahum aduga ahum subada texum kamini kus amasung loidang corridor mana asigi damak lisingani suna tra tuktagi lisingani suna tripan phawda phongkiba saireng lariki copy ahum biodata ga loina mathan tha April tang trauma phawda pisin biro akupa maron lup asigi office ai khanglaba yagani haire All Manipur Muslim Girls Student Union ki President Khalai Bam Rukshar Chaudhary High Crate Union Asina Handak Jirbam Development Highway Team da Jirbam da field visit Chaluda Jirbam se Hiram Krimakta Day District Singa Tengnavada Hantawa Tapta Lady Wapam Singasi Press Club ta Pausin order of the Chaudhary na Phono Kivani Maan Makha Takibda Mapamadu School Sida Saluda Laipam Topo was a late School infrastructure what a school singing building quality maintain Tawdre Lalpani High School da Mahirus Nupa Masa Chamaga Marfu Mapan Nupi Masa Saniga Kumapan Tamli Sakidara Malay Mang Pion Su Clark Su Oiri Sakidara Hum Regata da Amakata Lady Hairi Kasimpur added Junior High School ki class 6 tagi 8 Pawgi Apun Waza Masing Marikata Lady Mari Puna Samaga Mapan Labaga Waza Singa Basinga Sanadre Awat was a Hudson Bill Nasigi Lenga Asina Zil Bambi Lambitong Amadi School College Kaya awat pa lai masing asi atop district singa thong manan sabat pio awat waja sing thabina wa CM amadi education minister gi miyeng siksinjari haike Maybe Sabidar Aishu Sabidar haiba iho mai pang na successfully goinana Mars kuntra mathoida Prime Minister Narendra Modi na nauna khallaba Sabidar singa video conference ki kuthang da wari watai sanagadori wapam si Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad na pawsing da haiki bani Mang Makatana Haikibida, Ihosi, Miam, Iho, Moirakle, Amrunda, Ihosi, Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi, Kimachanupi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Trinamool Congress Leader Derek O. Brian Amasung, Samajwati Chief Akhilesh Yadav Nadi, Ihosibu, Apangui Thong Haina, Yengi Hairi. Narang Ahing, Nongyagi Matung, Pangtokiba, Chambathorum, Amada, Goagi Semester, Oina Wasak Lokra, Pramod. Sound ki government ki changeng thajabagi vote hayeng assembly floor da yumsa kesem mita tawgadori pramod sound post minister oina khan ki bada sarkar paimina ro Maharashtra wadi gomantak party amasung go forward party nadi yaning de phone krai hairi semesters sound na hai ki bada miam na harap tayamba phone libani haiduna mangonda leipreng huksin bigano MGP gi Sudin Double Liquor Amasung Goa Forward Party ki Vijay Sardesai na Deputy Singh Oira Khapkre Hausi Goa ki sit ani hamro lay Nixing Bay member Nifu Leva Assembly da Congress na single largest party Oi Kibani Hausi Aro Vidamaro Pau Amuna Pizari Numit Nini Kungsakta Congress President Rahul Gandhi Impala Tunakre Scientific cultivation and importance of tube crops Hiram da Nomugoiba training program Pantokre. Noina Nomugoiba Mahirishing motivation program Amasu Pantokre. Nasigidi, Paodam Sanduk Saba, Matang Silvere, Miamom Kana, Kurumzari.